So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up shipping in BigCommerce. So the first thing you want to do is open up BigCommerce and you will see it looks something like this. Now from here you can see home, orders, products, customers, storefront, marketing, analytics, apps, channels, as well as settings. Now through here you can set up some of this stuff like products set to ship. You can set up shipping through there, for example, if it appears for you. Now, if you want to get there manually, you can do that as well through clicking on orders, and then you can click on shipment. Once you click on this, you can see all the shipments that you have on here. But for now, let's just go to here and go through this setup shipping button, which will open up through the settings. Then you will go to shipping manually, and you can see here shipping origin. That's the address where you ship your products from. It is also used to calculate the shipping rates displayed to your customers within the checkout. Now on here you can see add a shipping zone. You can use advanced shipping rules. If you don't want to bother with that, you can install shipper HQ and you can just add a shipping address through there. So if you go back to settings right now, you can see here through the setup, you can see the shipping will be one of the first options that appears. So on there, just add a shipping address. If it's the same as your registered store address, that's also quite good. So it says get started by adding your address. You can print shipping labels and get real-time shipping quotes. So you can add it through there. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on BigCommerce or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.